Good morning, everyone. Today we got a new project. We're going to put a winch on a trailer, and I'm going to show you how. But first, we need some supplies. To get said supplies, we need to go hitch up the trailer that we are putting a winch on. Alright, just got back from the store. Here's what we got. We got our winch. I picked it up off some dude off Craigslist for $100. The winch plate, that was $42 at Harbor Freight. The stuff that came with the winch, brand new in box, which was nice. A battery that I had laying around. We got some 3/16, I think it is, square tubing for $50, the whole length. And then we got a box I had laying around. Oh yeah, we're gonna use the cheap calipers today. They're not too bad. All right. Anyway, so looking at the Harbor Freight winch plate, it's actually not that bad. It's way bigger than it needs to be. That's kind of nice. It means you can put pretty much any winch on it. As far as thickness goes, there you go. It's almost 1/4 inch thick, so that's pretty thick. It's pretty nice. It's got paint on it, I guess, but it's not bad. So let me show you what my plans are to put this on here, and then we'll kind of start getting everything mocked up and see where we can put things. Okay, so I'm thinking of putting the winch plate right like that. Okay, morning. We're back at it. I worked late into the night last night to get things kind of finished up, and I couldn't film it because it got dark. But here's where we're at. We got the box tack welded on, and I know this is a different box. It's a Harbor Freight box. We'll kind of go over things a little bit here when we get it all finished. I got the plate mounted. I got the mounting system. We're running a piece of square tubing against the trailer frame here. We've got a brace going underneath there on the tongue, and then we've got some pieces coming down to connect that. So all this should be definitely strong enough for a 9,000-pound winch, especially when you consider you're just rolling cars onto it. So next step is finish getting the box welded up, and then we're going to put some holes in it and get everything else mounted. So let's get to it. So this started happening. Started raining just as I finished up. So all the cables are nice and connected. They're all sealed. I went and put dielectric grease in them too to help keep moisture out, which is something you should definitely do. The box there. If you guys get one of these winches, the control box here, you should definitely take the time to go through and put some dielectric grease in there. The relay in there is all sealed. The connections for the cables are not, though, and this lid is actually not sealed, so I just put a coating of dielectric grease. Same thing on this plug. You put a coat of dielectric grease on that, and that'll help. I don't have everything cleaned up in here yet, but that'll come when the rain stops. And as you see, I got a little bit of a hole down there that I got to fill, which is fine. But the box works good. It's doing its job. We're going to do a few more with this, but for now I think I'm going to end the video here because there's not much more I can do until the rain stops, and I don't have a shop to put the trailer in or a garage right now. So anyway guys, if you like what you saw, give a thumbs up, comment down below. We can go over this more in depth. I kind of had to put it together quick for an up and coming deal that we got to do, but yeah, the thing turned out pretty well. We'll have an upcoming video on testing it to see how well it works. We don't get much rain, so this is actually kind of nice here.